Welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to change the gas connection in the back plate. I'm taking the old clips off. Once the old clips off, I'm going to start taking the old connection. It was leaking and it was old as well, and it wasn't secured to the wall. That's what I was taking it off. I just opened the nut, and I'm going to mark for new holes and the new clips. I just mark two marks there. I'm going to start drilling. I'm using a masonry bit for bricks. Once the hole made, I'm gonna make two holes, top and bottom holes. And once the hole made, I'm gonna use brown plugs for clips, top and bottom brown plugs. I'm gonna use tile and clips to screw in. Before you use nail clips, now you're gonna use the tile and clips with the screws one. Yep, there's the screws are. You're gonna use just a normal drill to fix to the wall. Top one done. And the bottom one as well. There's all the clips to secure the pipes to the wall properly, and then if you need to open it, we can open them later as well. Like, you know, they are not like nail clips. Once you're done, then it's hard to open them. I'm gonna cut the nut, and I'm gonna cut the olive, and gonna take that off. That's the slice cutter. It makes it easier for cutting the pipes, copper pipes. Once the pipe is cut, I'm gonna clean with the strip cleaner. It makes the job easier and clean it nicely. All the way clean it properly for the soldering. We're preparing for the soldering now. Yeah, that looks shiny. That's the new connection. That's the back plate for the marking for the new holes. For the screw in and stuff like that. I'm just drilling the hole. I'm covering the pipe, and the dust doesn't go in. Once the hole made, I'm gonna use the same again brown clips. They are number 7 in UK. The brown plugs done. That's the paste which cleans the pipes and make it easier for soldering as well, like, you know, capillary reaction. I'm gonna start using blowtorch, and it's yeah, I'm soldering now. Yeah, that looks alright. I'm just cleaning excess. I'm gonna that's the paste for the gas. It's a gas paste. Makes a gas tight seal. That's the connection for the cooker hose. Just gonna make it and make sure it's all tight. Just gonna use a spanner just to make sure it's all tight. Once all done, I'm gonna use again screws to fix back to the wall where we made a hole earlier, just to make them a secure connection as well. Just gonna lift it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the screws back in, and gonna make them secure properly. Yeah, just using the drill, combi drill. It does both jobs. It makes the hole as well, and you can. I'm cleaning excess now. Yeah, the excess done. I'm doing a gas test now. Thank you for watching.